You may not believe it. It turns out that houses
can be built like this.
Not a single grain.
Reinforced concrete.
Mainframe total loss.
The structure doesn't need
a single nail.
Quick and efficient to build.
2.5 days.
A beautiful building
for the elderly. After completion,
the whole village, men,
women and children
came to watch.
They marveled at the beauty
of the house.
It is to praise the filial
of
piety.
children.
Only then did I understand
traditional crafts
the perfect combination
of modern technology.
Lived in the village all their
I don't want
lives.
to live in the city.
Therefore,
Of
the
city
children
were consulted.
of the elderly,
However,
in
since
the
I
village,
stayed,
decided to renovate
the old house.
after considering
The
that
elderly like.
money is hard to buy.
Dad likes it.
So the children said nothing.
Spend a lot of money
A professional
to invite.
team. The thick wood in front of me,
It's the material that
the
makes
structural
of
framework,
a house.
load-bearing column,
The bamboo
and beam.
shoots are connected.
At the bottom of the columns
Are marble blocks.
this avoids direct
The
contact with.
foundation.
Then continue
The
to
secondary
put
grains
the
that have
bamboo
opened.
shoots one by one.
Connecting bamboo shoots.
The specifications,
Of these woods.
all carefully planned according
To the drawings.
So just follow the numbers.
One by one.
Just assemble it.
and according to custom.
An important note of upper beam building.
So you need old people.
Write the date yourself.
On the main beam in the middle.
and words of blessing.
Customs vary from place to place.
We will sprinkle sugar
Dumplings
and
from the top.
the main structure is completed.
The wall can be enclosed below.
Material used for containment
These are the modular panels.
can be found
The outside of the wall panels
is bound with bamboo
Inside
pieces.
is a layer of
Insulation
fireproof.
material.
Bamboo pieces
Important
play
role in the
because
back.
it is modular.
Therefore, they are
According
also
to the
numbered.
number.
Just install and fix
So
it
as to block out the outer
while
wall.
dividing. Achieve
And
convenient
efficient.
of the master.
So soon the young house
The shape is slowly emerging.
in front of you.
Then the roof will be laid. However, before laying,
We also need to
blocks
use
at a certain spacing for added support.
with strong support
In order to make the roof
have good thermal
then
insulation.
the master first
A
lays
layer on the beam body
solid wood panels seal the roof.
into a plane.
Tight splicing is required
Between each board.
and secure it with a nail gun.
In this way,
All windshields are completed.
then use it on top.
The wooden board is
Block
two,
the lattice
one
frame.
by one, with insulation in the back.
The lattice is bound
and
installed a circle
the
around
edge. After decoration,
You can fill
the thermal insulation material,
the black particles shipped in.
this bag, from bamboo carbonization,
Bamboo charcoal has
adsorption, and fill them evenly into each small grid.
and put a layer of film on it.
The master has put
Of
a layer,
European pine board
the top
on
of the
it.
historical.
Object forms a plane.
At this point, the basic
Of the
structure
roof is also roughly
now you
formed
can put a layer
of rubber pad on
ready for tile installation. To make the house more
beautiful and
the
elegant.
master pasted traditional
Tiles as well.
There's an auspicious foulard
Pattern on the tiles.
after installing them all in detail.
So far the house is one
Away
last
from
step
completion of the wall,
The function of bamboo
wall
rock.
panels of mud
This kind of mud is made
by mixing loess and
after
sand
covering the bamboo.
evenly with mud
The master put a plastic net
on the mud again.
reinforced structure.
In this way, each wall
is treated one by
and
one.
remove the excess clippings. Scrape a layer of
At the
mud
same time,
and delicate.
you can paint white paint on it.
painted under the skill.
Craftsmanship of the master.
This one is made of
The
solid
beautiful
wood.
structure.
So do you like this house?